Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will look a bit about our discussion on division. In this case, an effortless division based on the question we have all seen in the previous tutorial. As you all have seen in the previous tutorial, we have answered the problem number 1, number 2, and number 3. And now we will look number 4. That is 4,600 divided by 50. In one viewpoint, this is big number, but in another viewpoint, this is very simple when we translate it, when we convert the expression into 9,200 divided by 100. The result is 92. Okay, now let we see the process of changing the expression for 1,600 divided by 50 into another expression to get the easiness of the process. As you all have seen in the tutorial number 1, to answer the problem number 1, there is quick meaningful division. We have done it for the problem 700 divided by 25. In this case, at that time we multiply both 725 by 4, so we get 2,800 and divide by 100, and we get answer 28. Now we use this strategy to apply to the similar problem, and in this case we can multiply both 4,650 by 2 in order to get 50 into 100. By multiply both by 2, we get 9,200 divided by 100. Both 4,650 we multiply by 2. We get the result 9,200 divided by 100. And this is very easy, an effortless division, just by omitting 2 0. Both in 9,200 and 100 we get 92 divided by 1, so the result is 92. So why could it be like this? What is the reason mathematically? Let me see a bit about that. 4,600 divided by 50, we can write it in a fraction form, that is 4,600 over 50. 4,600 is numerator and 50 is denominators. So when we multiply both numerator and denominator, in this case 4,650 by the same numerator and denominator, in this case n and n, we will get the same result n. We know that n over n is 1. So we multiply 4600 over 50 by 1. This means it has no change at all. So we get 4600 over 50 is the same as the original form. We can say that when numerator and denominator multiplied by the same number, it will not affect the equation. It will not affect the result of a division. So for short, 4600 divided by 50, both of them are multiplied by 2, we get 6200 divided by 100, and the result is 62. Thank you very much for your attention, and let's see problem numbers 5 in the next session.